Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Cash App at an ATM. So right off the bat, you are going to need your Cash App card in order for this transaction to even take place. So if you don't have one, you want to order your Cash App card. When you have your card, the obvious thing out of the way, yes, you can withdraw money from Cash App using an ATM, but there will be some fees associated with it in certain circumstances. Right off the bat, you are going to have the standard ATM fee that whatever the ATM owners is charging you, which is actually around $2 or $3, but will you have an additional fee charged by Cash App? This is something you need to keep in mind, but there are ways you can get the Cash App fee. Wait, there is a way that you can eliminate all ATM fees when withdrawing money from Cash App. This includes the Cash App fee as well as the ATM fee that you are charged by the owner of the ATM. All you need to do is receive more than 300 worth of qualifying direct deposits into your Cash App. The way it works is every time you receive a direct deposit that fits this standard, the period to which you can receive fees withdrawals from ATMs is extended an additional 31 days. The key thing to note here is that you need to be receiving frequent direct deposits that equal more than $300. But if this is set up, not only you can get the Cash App fee waived, but you can also get reimbursed for ATM fees. That means that whatever fee that the owner of the ATM is charging, you will actually get a refund for it. The final thing you want to keep in mind in regards to using Cash App at an ATM is the cash card limits. You can see on the screen the current cash card limits in regards to pulling money from your Cash App account. It's $1,000 per day, $1,000 per ATM transaction, and $1,000 per week. So what you have to do is you have to insert your Cash App card, then select your language, enter your cash card pin, and then click would you like to make a withdrawal. Then select the checking option and select how much you want to withdraw, and then you will recharge the fee for this. The transaction will be approved and the money will be disbursed. Keep in mind you do need to have money in your Cash App account, at least more than what you withdrawn, in order for this process to go smoothly. Another way to make a withdrawal from your Cash App account is actually free, is to get cash back when you buy something from somewhere that allows cash back to happen. So for instance, I am shopping at something like Target, getting some supplies for one of my units on Airbnb. It asked me if I wanted cash back. I say yes. It asks the amount that I am requesting, which in this case is $20, and I pay for my items and I get 20 cash back. In this case, I didn't pay any fee because it's cashback. So this is a way of getting money out of your Cash App account technically for free. So that's pretty much it. That covers the process of how to pull money out of your Cash App account using an ATM. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.